Just a couple more out of this, SpongeBob.
Ugh.
Oh, and try not to breathe the fumes.
Is it Toxic Patty Tuesday?
Barnacles, no, boyo. The customers keep passing off their dirty, filthy money.
Ugh.
So we're cooking up the only solution powerful enough to clean it.
Well then, let's get cleaning.
Hold on, kiddo. We still have one more ingredient.
How much do we need?
Careful, SpongeBob. Just 2 drops of that stuff could
Got it. 2 drops.
Oh.
blow our faces off.
That's coming through, boss.
We can get it later.